homicide reporting for spirit duty.
Check the prisoner, careful of him dark magics. Spirit cage crack, the warlock gone. Track that warlock you right from banished zone.
Black horse rising from smoke and bone. Whoa.
Oh my God, be careful.
That's the Morphmaster, shapeshifter. Dark force wielder. Me lock up in a dream jail, bound by chain. Spirit guard chant, dark whispers in vain. Me burn no spliff, my soul still flame. Jah whisper morph, another form claim. Twist and bend, my bone go black. Horse hoof spark, where them fire lock. Smoke around me, dread mind fly. My bucket down and blaze the sky. Morphmaster, shapeshifter, dark force wielder. Yo, keeper of the sacred dark force flame. Dread like Rasta on his dark horse mane. Now we the judge, dread sheriff by name. Morphmaster, warlock and me reach church soft like breeze pan tree. Hiding lizard vine and honeybee. Them spirits seek, but me slip unseen. Me vice in crow, me step in green. Me turn to frog when the moon shine low. Them bark one root when me dread don't show. No eyes can catch me morphing form. Me walk in silence, deep and warm. Morphmaster, shapeshifter, dark force wielder. Yeah! Keeper of the sacred dark force flame. Dread like Rasta on his dark horse lane. Now he the judge, dread sheriff by name. Morphmaster, warlock and now all Babylon man, them fear the mist. Say Morphmaster guard where the ganja twist. Call me dopey, call me beast or fell. But me now let them herbs catch hell. Me rat right silent, me dark force fed. Jungle me tempo where me dread not dead. Try fi touch Jack